days after the party settled the political tensions and tussles amid leaders in Punjab, the focus has now shifted to Rajasthan with a key meeting of the Congress MLAs ahead of the possibility of a cabinet expansion. Now, Ajay Maken and KC Venugopal have met Congress MLAs at the Congress office. Sachin Pilot was also present with his loyalist MLAs, his support group. The question is whether his support group MLAs will be inducted into the Gehlot cabinet. Senior cabinet ministers were also present at this meeting. Ajay Maken has once again reiterated that there is no factionalism in the Rajasthan Congress now, and all decisions on cabinet and council of members expansion has been left to the party high command.
ये हमारा काम नहीं है ना, ये आला कमान का और मुख्यमंत्री जी का विशेष अधिकार है कि वो किसको कैबिनेट में रखें, किसको कैबिनेट में नहीं रखें। ये हमेशा से होता रहा है कांग्रेस में। हम बीजेपी की तरह थोड़ी है जो जासूसी करा के मंत्रियों को हटाते हैं।
कोई भी ऐसी चीज को हम तारीख के साथ बांधना नहीं चाहते। मैं सिर्फ दो बातें कहना चाहता हूं कि कहीं पर भी कोई भी विरोध नहीं है, आपस में विरोधाभास नहीं है, सब निर्णय हो चुका है। और दूसरा, हर जो हमारे कांग्रेस के लीडर हैं, सबने आला कमान के ऊपर, केंद्रीय नेतृत्व के ऊपर विश्वास जताया।
Let's go right across to my colleague Harsha Kumari Singh. She's been tracking the details of this story. Harsha, amid this speculation of the possibility of cabinet expansion, the question really is, will Sachin Pilot get his say? How many of his loyalists are going to be accommodated? What are you picking up?
Well, in the Gehlot cabinet, there is room for 9 more ministers, but will he do an expansion or will he change the faces around is really the question. Now, Pilot, of course, has been pushing that, when he came back in July and voted in favor of the government and the confidence motion in the assembly, so some kind of a formula was worked out. It seems to suggest that some of his ministers, some of his people may be accommodated in the cabinet, and he may get some kind of an assignment outside Rajasthan. As far as Ashok Gehlot is concerned, he has consistently been telling the party high command that, in Rajasthan, out of 200 MLAs, the Congress actually just has 100 on its own. And it's the 6 BSP MLAs who've crossed over and merged with the Congress that have taken the party to 106 and the support of 12 independents. So that's what's made the Congress very, very comfortable in Rajasthan. And these people also need to be placated because, you can't just, you also have to reward the people who stood by you. So that's what has been his contention. And then, of course, the series of meetings and then the decision to leave it to the party high command. It means that actually the people who are going to broker peace are Venugopal and Ajay Maken. And there's obviously something has been decided also. Maken has said very clearly he's back on 28th, 29th, and he's asked all the MLAs to be in Jaipur, which has given rise to speculation that actually the cabinet expansion could happen as early as that. But on record, he simply said that it's because he wants to discuss the districts and the Congress's organization in districts with all of the MLAs. So a lot of it up in the air. Let's see how it happens. But definitely the buzz is very, very strong. And that the fact that all the MLAs will be here on 28th, 29th has actually added to that speculation.
Right. Thanks, Harsha, for joining us with the very latest. We'll, of course, continue to keep a close watch on all those political developments.